So again, as you find the basic shape, start to look for all the contour lines that change it. So it can start out as a mechanical shape, and then you have to build it up from there. So all these lines that show in the groove of the baking are going to help as a cross contour line. Building this section up. And if you even shade it to follow this contour with the lines, then all the lines that you miss, or at least that texture, is going to emphasize the structure of the form of the pastry. So you can almost treat it with a little bit of crosshatch lines in there as well. Again, finding the angle right here, this square shape. So just by actually using the same direction of these lines, it's going to add to the texture as well as the form. So that's what you want to kind of take a look at. Depending on the strength of the lead, you can see these grooves, kind of fitting it right in there. And again, as you zoom into your reference, you can see even more detail of the texture once you establish the form. So, it's a matter, as you do this, you can just draw over your initial crosshatch lines, even they're just hatch lines, and they give you the light source in there as well. And it's almost like you're drawing with texture. It really makes it easier. And depending on which way you start the pencil, from this direction or that direction, it's like you're sculpting it across the surface. You can see it does the line. Very good there. As it gets closer, it kind of has a little broken up facade to it that you're trying to pick up. Again, trying to wrap the lines around the form there. And again, if you put the texture closest to the part of this kind of a roll, it'll add to the sections that you're trying to get to. Go. You can kind of see a little bit of the shadow of these pieces. And there you go. So it gives you a nice textured piece.